Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this tutorial we are going to see how to model this Geneva wheel with this dimension using Creo Parametric. For that, first go to the software. I opened Creo Parametric software. Just go to the new. Here you choose part, solid, leave this file name, untick this use default template, say OK. Then go for the unit template, which is part solid absolute, say OK. Now we are using a Creo Parametric 8.0. So this is the window for the Creo Parametric 8.0. Now just go to the model dimensions. First we'll start with a circle with a radius of 102. Just select the front plane, sketch view. First create the center line, press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to make a circle with a radius of 102 mm. Just go to take the circle with the center points, click here and click here, press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to modify this dimension. Here they have given a radius of 102. So just go to the dimension, click it here and press the roller to confirm. Now the radius is 102. Press the roller to confirm. Now just move this dimension to here. Now we have created the circle. Just say OK. Then go for extrude. Just rotate the object what it is happening. Then go here. The thickness of the extrusion is 12 mm. Here you can see in the side view. Just change this into symmetric. This is make it 12. Press enter. Say OK. Now we have created this plate, circular plate. Then we just want to create one by one this cut. First we'll create this cut with a radius of 38 mm and the center distance is 114 mm from the center point. Just go here, select the surface, sketch view. Just take the center line, press the roller to confirm. Now just create the circle randomly. Don't make any constraint with the previous circle. Now we just want to specify this one is as 114 and this diameter this radius they have given 38. Just modify this into 76. 76 is the diameter. Here they have given a radius of 38. So just make into a diameter which is 76. Now just say OK. Then go to extrude. Just check what it is happening. Now we just want to cut the object. Change the direction to this side. It is making union. We just want to remove material and cut up to 2 next. Just say OK. Now the same feature has to be patterned multiple times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. So then select this extrude to go for pattern. Here choose axis pattern, just rotate it. Here you can see the axis. Here we make it 6 number of patterns and click this angular extent, then say OK. Now we have created this feature. Then go to the dimension again. Then we just want to create this feature. For that, just go here, select the surface, sketch view. First create a center line, then create one circle somewhere here. Here we just want to specify the radius of circle is 9 mm and the center of the circle is from here to here, which is 57 mm. Here you can see this is 57. This diameter is 9 plus 9, which is 18. Then just take a line. Here you can see the perpendicular line, it will automatically comes as a magnet. just select it and place it somewhere here and press the roller to confirm. Similarly, click here and equal length you just give and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now you can see this is not the properly closed sketch. There is one more edge which is available but which is not required to us for this model. For that, just go for delete segments, select this edge and press the roller to confirm. Now this extra feature need not to be removed. For that, you just want to constrain the sketch to up to this. For that, take a arc with the center and ends and click here. The first arc point is here and second arc point is here. Press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to remove this unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Press the roller to confirm. Just say OK and extrude, change the direction. Now just click it here. To next you do it, say OK. Now one feature we have done, the same feature has to be patterned 6 times. For that, just go for the pattern and select this axis pattern, and we need to select this axis, and this is 6 times and 360 degree, say OK. Now we got this feature. Then we just want to make this feature. For that, first create the circle with the diameter of 64 and extrude up to the length of 12 mm. Select the surface, sketch view, select the circle, create a circle, the diameter is 64, say OK, extrude which is 12 mm, say OK. Then we just want to create a keyway cut. Here you can see the keyway cut we need to make. For that, just create the sketch, select the surface, sketch view, go to reference, make the circle as a reference, then close it, take a circle, create one circle, the diameter of the circle here you can see which is 38 and the keyway is, this one is 9 mm and this one is 5 mm. Just go here, the diameter which is 38 and create a rectangle. Before that, just create the center line, press the roller to confirm, take a rectangle, just create a rectangle like this, and they have given the dimension of 24 mm. Just go for this dimension from here to this distance which is 24 and this dimension is 5 mm. Just remove it. This one is 5 mm and this height with is 9 mm. So this is enough. Then go for delete segments, remove this unwanted segments and press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this keyway, sketch, then say OK, then go for extrude, change the direction to this side, and here we make it 2 next, material removal, say OK. Now just go here, hide all the planes, default orientation, and here make it wireframe edges. So in this way we can create this object. The one more feature which is missing, which is round with a radius of R6. Just go here, choose this round, select this edge, the radius is 6 mm, say OK. Just go here, default orientation. Now we have created this complete object using a Creo parametric. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.